Hello students, today will we discuss about Isaac Asimov's science fiction story The Fun They Had. Isaac Asimov is a famous American writer who is best known for his works of science fiction. The Fun They Had is in fact a scientific essay in which Asimov describes his views regarding school education and 22nd century. He presents his views through a dialogue between Margie, a girl of 11, and a boy of 13 named Tommy. Margie and Tommy are the imaginary children of the mechanical school of the year 2157. Though their grandfather's real book, they come to know about the old system of school education. They find a great difference between their own system of education and the old system of their grandfather's time. Through his conversation between Margie and Tommy, the writer tells us that in the modern time, there were no special buildings. There was a schoolroom in every house where children were given lessons. There were mechanical teachers and the students' work was checked by a machine known as county inspector. The county inspector was not a human being but a whole box of tools with dials and wires in the shape of a round little man with a face. Margie had hated her school because it was not a fun of her. First, the method of teaching was also very fast and uninteresting. Not only the teacher were mechanical, but the method of teaching was also very fast and uninteresting. The lessons were fitted in a machine according to the brazier level of the student. Each child was given homework and tests. The children had to put their homework and test papers into the slot of television. The mechanical teacher checked them and calculated the marks in no time. Children mostly disliked the method because they had no fun and no company. The system was not based on child psychology, and so children found the teaching boring and dull. Next, interesting and important work of science fiction. Tommy and Margie liked the old system of school education. In old days, all the children had access to school building. There they could laugh, shout and play in the school yard. They could sit together in the classrooms and go home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help the another in doing homework and discuss difficult questions. Teachers and examiners were also human beings who understood child psychology and taught in an interesting way. Students in such schools learned communication and proper behavior. Teacher was no doubt slow but not devoid of interest and fun, which children love most. Next, cannot be fully trusted will all-round development of children. Thus, the Fun They Had is very interesting and important work of science fiction. It warns us against the excessive dependence of the modern pupil on the mechanical schools. Television, computers, and other machines are no doubt fast and accurate sources of learning and teaching, but they cannot be fully trusted with all-round development of children. Motivation and inspiration as provided by teaching through books and human teachers are also essential for the mental and physical growth of children. Margie wrote in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book. When Tommy was 13, he found this book was which was quite old in attic of his house. Tommy had Margie found the words funny to read still instead of moving as on screen. Tommy found it a wastage of time to go through the book, but a television screen could show a million books on it. Hence, in the modern times, Tommy and Margie used their television as a book. Margie told Tommy that she hated school. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. From the conversation between Margie and Tommy, we learned that system of schooling in their times was different from that of the ancient times. We are informed that in modern time there were no special building. There was a schoolroom in every house where kids were given lessons. There were mechanical teachers. The students were checked by a machine known as county inspector, a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and mechanical teacher calculated the mark in no time. Then Margie and Tommy talked about old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago, centuries ago. Margie and told Tommy that in ancient time they had a teacher who was a man. Tommy was surprised. A man? How could a man be a teacher? This teacher told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Margie asked Tommy how a man could be a smart teacher as a television. Tommy told that a man could be smart as much his father. So when Margie told that she would not allow a stranger to come to her house to teach, Tommy told her that in ancient times schools had special buildings and kids went there to learn their lessons. Hence, ancient system of schooling was different from the modern system. In ancient times, kids received education from teachers in human form. After finishing her work, Margie began to read the old book. She thought about those schools where her grandfather used to receive his education as a kid. The kids of the neighborhood went laughing and shouting together. They received lesson together in the same room and in the evening returned home together. In olden days, kids were fortunate to learn together. They did their homework together and helped one another in doing it. In fact, they were more fortunate to learn their lessons from human teachers than the modern kids who learn their lessons from mechanical teachers. In this school, the parents had the school time. The school was not far away, and so the student did not have to drive or walk very far to learn their lessons. This saved time as well as money. Every child had an individual teacher. If there was any problem with any student, the student concerned was checked by a machine known as a county inspector. It was a round little man with a red face and whole box of tools with dials and wires. The mechanical teachers was adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. English child had to be taught differently. The lessons were fitted in the machine according to the average year level of a student. Each child was given homework and tests. The children had to put their homework and test papers into the slot of television. The mechanical teacher checked them and calculated the marks in no time. Teaching performed by mechanical school was very fast and systematic. Unfortunately, the children, especially Margie, was very much disappointed with her mechanical school. She hated her school because it was not a fun for her. Children generally love fun and company, but in the mechanical school, they had to sit alone. They were taught by a machine teacher who had no feelings and no emotions. Children in this school were not allowed to play, work and sit with their friends. They did not respond to their lessons like human beings. For instance, if there was any humorous lessons, they did not laugh. They missed social relationship. There was no motivation, no inspiration, as is provided by teaching through human teachers. Students learned communication and proper behavior, but they were unable to learn values. They did not have the fun of sharing and learning with friends. The essay fun they had clearly presents Asimov's views on mechanical school. Through the essay, he intends to warn us against the excessive dependence of the modern pupil on the mechanical system of teaching in schools. Schooling through computer machines can no doubt develop the personal talents of the children. The children taught in mechanical schools may be well informed individual, but they may not turn out to be very useful social beings.